Hello and welcome to Maths Albertua. Today, in this class or in this lesson, we want to look at a question under chain rule of differentiation. So this is the question we're told to find the derivative of. So let me transfer the question to another interface where we can handle it together. So we are here. All right. So in this kind of question, how to start is to call the inside algebraic expression, call it u. So we're going to say, let u be called 3x squared minus 2. Now, the next line of action is to differentiate the u, which you just brought in now, with respect to x. So, differentiate the alphabet u with respect to the other alphabet at the right-hand side, which is x. So, to differentiate u with respect to x, we write it as du dx. Alright, if you differentiate this, it's going to be 3. 3 has been there before. So these 2 will come down to multiply by the 3. So you have something like this. And then after that, x raised to the power of 2 minus 1. Then this other number minus has been there. If you differentiate 2, you get 0. Anytime you differentiate a constant, you get 0. A constant means ordinary number without any letter of the alphabet attached to it. Alright, so 2 times 3 here will give us 6. And then x, 2 minus 1 is going to give us power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then minus 0. This thing will give you 6x. That means that du dx is actually 6x. Now, if you look very carefully now, because we have assumed that u should be called this, it means that this place will be transformed to something good. Now, look at it. That means that this place will be transformed to y is equal to u raised to the power of 7. Since we have already called it the whole of this inside algebraic expression u. Now, the next thing to do now is to differentiate the variable, that's the alphabet you have at the left-hand side, with respect to the alphabet you have at the right-hand side. So, how we write that is what? We write that dy du. So, power goes down, then you subtract 1. Alright, so 7 will come down when you're differentiating. 7 goes down, then you write u raised to the power of 7 minus 1. So, this will give you 7u, 7 minus 1 here, this one. 7 minus 1 is 6. So differentiation is all about power going down, then subtract 1. It is an algebraic sort of differentiation. Alright. Now the chain rule formula is actually dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. Chain rule formula dy dx is equal to what? Dy du multiplied by du dx. Alright, so let's plug in the value of dy du is this place. So you fetch it and write it as 7u raised to the power 6 times du dx is this answer you have in this place, which is 6x, just 6x. Alright, so if you multiply this together, 7 multiplied by 6 will give you 42. And then x will follow it. Please, this is multiplication sign, why this one is x. Alright, so what to follow now is u raised to the power 6. But if you remember very carefully, we didn't have, the question originally was not having u. We were the one that brought in something. So now we remember and replace. So recall means to remember. Recall that u is actually 3x squared minus 2. So what do you do now? You take this and replace here and move on. Alright? So that means that what? That finally dy dx is actually equal to what? 42x bracket, instead of u now, you now write 3x squared minus 2 and then you put the power above it. So this is the answer to the question we're given to differentiate. Alright. Now, I have something for you to keep you engaged. Ensure you do it and then put the answer in the comment section. Remember, mathematics is a doing subject. Alright, so we are here and then I have something for you. So ensure you do this and then say something about the video and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Please ensure you like, you share with others, and then do well to subscribe. Thank you very much.